Hey everyone, Julie's here. Randy is out hunting with Tristan. So it gives me a chance to get the house deep clean, organize some things, and also do some crafts. So I went to the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I picked up this little plastic gray bow for $1.25. I got some cute little stickers here I'm going to put around it for $1. So for $2.25, I'm going to make a cute little candy dish that we hang out, put candy in here and hand out to the trick-or-treaters. And here I am going to take this lid off and I'm going to stuff it with these little pumpkins, little spiders, and I'm going to E6000 this plate on top of it. So at the bottom it will have all this kind of stuff in it, if you can visualize that, and then some candy here, and that's just to keep at the house. If we have guests and stuff over, or Randy and I want a piece of candy, we can just get it out of that. And then this one, I'm going to, we usually have like our lemons and oranges and stuff in here all year round for the kitchen, but today I think I want to, until Thanksgiving's over, I think I want to stuff this with some pumpkins to get it some little fall. And I'm going to put that little gnome in there. I hope I can get all the little pumpkins in here. I think I need another white. Then I'm going to stick this one here before I lose space. And there we have it. So that was about probably $5 for the glass, and then probably a couple dollars for the pumpkins and $1 for the gnome. So you have $5, $6, $7, like $8, less than $10 for a little decorations. And I got 2 of them to set at each end of the countertop. So I might come back with a ribbon and go around here with a fall ribbon. I think that would make it cute. I wish those pumpkins would go down a little bit further like that one, but it's not gonna work. Okay, so the next one I want to do is this one. So I'm just going to hopefully fill all this up. Just layer it with different. I lost a pumpkin. Like that. And then trying to get the paper off of this. Okay, so let's do some of these little creepy crawlers. My finger's in the way, y'all, sorry. The green. Let me turn that over because they're really pretty. They're cute. Spiders aren't cute, but the colors are cute. I'm gonna make sure that goes against the glass. Then I'm gonna put more of the purple pumpkins in, and I'm gonna come back. Did y'all hear that? Okay. So last, I'm going to come back with some orange spiders. Make sure it goes all the way around the glass. Try to get down in there. Okay, so then put the lid back on so they won't crawl out. And then I will E6000. Let's see my foot. I'm gonna E6000 on top of here. A pretty good amount. Then I'm just gonna take this glass plate, put it in the center, and I'm just gonna let that dry. So, and then I'm just gonna put candy and stuff on top of here just to set out. But isn't that cute? See all that? Something cute for Halloween. And this was like $1.25, $1.25. So we're looking at $2.50, $3, $4, $5, about $5 to make that. I think that's cute. And then the next one, like I said, is going to be this little plastic bow. All of this for $2.25. I'm going to take and put stickers around that. So let me go ahead and go and do that. Okay, there we have it. We have a $2.25 bow. Fill it up with candy. Take it to the door and pass out candy for the trick-or-treaters. You got a $5 little decoration where you put candy on top. That's for when you have inside guests. I thought that was really cute with all the pumpkins and the spiders in there. And then I leave this out for the fall decorations until Christmas, just to give it a splash of color for the fall. So I'm going to be working on some other projects, so stay tuned. Okay. I had this little wooden crate, and this is the entryway. So you come in the door, and then this is the entryway here. Let's see if I can back up a little bit. Okay, so I put this at the entry table. I thought this would look really cute. It has the stained wood with the black, and then the table is stained with the black. Remember that little thing I just made? Isn't that cute? Got the candy in there, got the plate. So I think that's really cute. Hope that dries. A little earlier it was leaning on me. So, okay, so I have these pumpkins that was left over, so I think I want to sort of maybe put the white one standing up on the side a little bit, and then come in with these smaller pumpkins. And then, let's see what I can do here. I got these little signs here, so I want to use those for sure. And then, let's see, got some little wheat, some little fall leaves. Balls. Some on this side. I don't want to cover up that. I like white pumpkins. Okay. And then maybe lay this down like that. I don't know if I want to put that like that, or do I want to lay them inside. Just don't want to cover up everything. Okay, so there that is. Oh, and I got these at this little twine here with the little baby pumpkins, if y'all can see that. I got that at Hobby Lobby. And then I got these lights for outside, but they're icicle lights. Didn't know that. So that looks sort of silly. So I just stuck it in here. So there you have it. Then you got the thankful at the bottom. So tell me what you think about that. I thought that was cute. So let me know if there, or should I put them here? Sort of looks cute that way. ones here are inside the basket. Okay, so when you walk in, that's what you see. I thought that was cute. Okay, now for the table. This, y'all, I have to tell you the story. My husband got that for me for Christmas or my birthday. I'm not for sure. But I decorate this for every season. When it's Easter, I'll put Easter eggs in there. For Christmas, I'll put a tree coming out of it. 4th of July, I decorated red, white, and blue. It's just, I love this truck. I wish I had a white one. So maybe this year Santa will bring me a white one. But this is so cute. I know it's like big, but I don't know. I love it for a centerpiece on a table. Okay, so Hobby Lobby has these little pumpkins. And they light up. And y'all, I mean, this is a wood grain plate. What do they call? I can't even... chargers. And I was at a place in Rockwall called At Home. They have these little plates. I love white and silver. White and silver is my favorite color. But they had that and I just had to get them. They were like for $8, like $1 a piece. They're so cute. So I thought that would look cute with it like that. So yeah, they're all lit. And you see how I did the truck with the pumpkins. And then over here, I got just the fall leaves, just a little bit of candy there. These candles come on, but I don't turn them on all the time. And then I used to have a little greenery in these little baskets, but I love those little pumpkins so much. I thought I needed something here because usually my house has a little touch of yellow, but since I took that off for the fall season decorations, I thought that would look cute. I still think I need something in the back, but I'm going a little bit overboard, I think, here. But I thought that was cute. And here, let me turn some light on. So here, I can't really do a lot of decorations because of the TV stuff. So I love these little trucks. I guess I have a thing with trucks, but I love the farmhouse trucks. So if you ever find one and you want to send me one, send me one. Just kidding. But yeah, these right here, you can get at Hobby Lobby, and they look great. And like I said, I love white and silver. So I thought that was adorable. And then they have these baskets at Hobby Lobby, and they have this smell good. Y'all know the pine cones for Christmas smells like cinnamon and stuff. And this, I don't, just like spice, but it's filled with a bunch of stuff. So I just got this little basket and put that in there. So I thought, just smell up the house and make it smell good. And then up here, I have fall leaves. This is my bookshelf. Now I try to do, like I said, everything white and silver. I love white and silver. But I put some fall leaves up here. So, and this is a little picture that Presley painted for me for my birthday. So I keep that. And that's her. She cute. And I just put some little pumpkins out. This usually has just a plants, greenery plants. So I added some little orange to that. So just makes it a little decoration. You'll see it's just a table. And I got this at Hobby Lobby too, and it's really cheap. And I thought, you know what? I could use that as like one of these things right here that changes every season. I made that. I got these little plates, and then I put this little, I want to say it's like a little candle holder there, and I just glued this on. So every season I come back and I change that. Trying to see what else I got. Of course, y'all's probably seen the pillows in our lives that we do. Oh, this is new at home. That pretty. It says gather. It's really pretty. And then over here, I just added some pumpkins here. If y'all know, if y'all have never seen my mom, mine and Rhonda's mom, this is my mom. That's my dad. And I know y'all have seen him. And this is my brother that passed away. So this top shelf is dedicated to my mom and dad and brother. And of course we have Presley. And y'all know Rhonda with At Home with Tom and Rhonda. And then we have Tristan. He used to ride bulls. And we have his fiancee Nina. We got Tristan again. I got my family down there. Got my sister and brother there. Tristan. It's my mom and dad. It's my mom. So the fall and winter is my favorite time of the year. And I don't know. Just let me know what y'all think about everything. If I'm doing a good job, if I'm going a little bit overboard, I love to decorate. It's one of my passions. I wish I had a lot of money to do this. But anyway, comment and like and subscribe. Thanks, y'all. Bye.